Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Spiegel Mom Scraps, where I am going to be using the World Atlas collection that is going to be paired up with, and it's a collaboration of Simple Stories Saturdays, where a bunch of us YouTubers get together and we collab and we do Simple Stories collection. So you guys know, if you follow my channel and if you follow my social media accounts, we do a lot of cabin camping, outdoor stuff, this, that, and the other. So the trail mix was, oh my gosh, one of the favorite ones that they got. So this is a photo. Yes, yes, just deal with that face. Yep. And I am going to pair this up as well with off the board, where we where we find something on our Pinterest boards and we make the collection. So I will link that up there. I will have all of the information for Spiegel Mom Scraps down below. I will also have the YouTube link, YouTube hop for Simple Stories. And the person that I am going to be scrap lifting, or, you know, finding that Pinterest pin, is going to be Julie Taylor from Hey Little Magpie. So let's see what I can do. Okay, so I am going to be using this alphabet paper that is in the trail mix. It's like all of the little bits that you would find out while you're camping or in the, you know, like in the wilderness or something like to that. So as I explained before in the intro, this is for Spiegel Mom Scraps, and remember, if you use my code Miranda15, you will get 15% off. And right now she brought quite a bit of her vaulted sequence mixes. Come back and go check hers out, and then you can still use my code to get an extra 15% off. Now, I went in and got one of my favorite stencils that I use all the time. You see me use this one quite a bit. I'm so glad I got this one. And I came out with the Tattered Rose. And what I did is that it is the distress paint, and it works wonderful in these stencils. It doesn't bleed. It still does the same effect as if you have a stamp or something, you know, like what I am doing right there. And that stamp is from the Hip Kit, and that color I am using is Saltwater Taffy. I wanted it a little bit darker so that you could see that one, where the other ones are a little bit lighter. Then I came in with the Weathered Wood, and I placed those pieces in certain spots, as well as you can tell in the photo up above what she did with her mixed media. Now I'm going to use the sequence mix at the end. You will see me pull in all of that as well, so that it is part of it. And make sure that you go check out everybody that is part of the Simple Stories hop as well. That'll be down below. And since I found this on Off the Board, and it is in the month of July, Off the Board is doing one video a day. So make sure you go check out that playlist if you want some more inspiration outside of this layout. And full disclosure, if you can hear my printer in the background, I am full on in the middle of getting ready for back to school Tuesday, or back to school. And we go back, we've been back, and the kids will be coming soon for open house. And then our first day of school is coming up soon as well. So I am printing and getting stuff ready to go, because, you know, you got to have those non-negotiables that your principal wants, and those things you can't print out prior to school starting or when we come back. So anyway, so now I am going back in and finding how I want to place this. So I found that I want to do family adventure, because it starts the whole theme of our this particular camping trip, or cabin camping as I call it. This one, we actually had to be in the hotel that is on the grounds, like the campgrounds, because our glamping site that we were supposed to be staying in, the tent actually was, if I remember correctly, got like a big hole from one of the storms. And so they moved us into the hotel, which is completely fine for Josh as well. So this one ended up being not really a true glamping, camping style, but it is what it is. But we're still going to use this adventures because we did do quite a bit of outdoorsy stuff like we always do. So I'm going through this collection because I pulled in another older collection. It was one of the travel themes that Simple Stories came out with that matches the colors to what I am using. I really love this boho style. The colors scream me, and I love everything about it. So make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you. I know that we are we are loving the fact that you guys are hitting that like and subscribe button. And so then off camera, I had to try to get this string to work. I was trying to have it on camera and it was frustrating me. So I took it off, had a little conversation with it, and came back. And then it finally worked the way I wanted it to. I'm also now gluing down all of my pieces that I want for this family photo. And yes, full disclosure, my husband, gotta love him. True to his nature, he's standing in the background, creeping in, looking like he's creeping in. He is supposed to be part of the photo, but yet he wants to give me this stern face. I do have 2 other photos that I will be scrapping in this same fashion where he, actually does give some type of a smile at least. So, I have those. Now I am using the collection World Atlas. That is the collection that matches this trail mix from Simple Stories. Really, really close. So if you are wanting a sequence mix that matches this boho collection that Simple Stories came out with, World Atlas is fantastic from Spiegel Mom Scraps. And the colors just, all of it works. No matter which one you place on there, it all works. The gold, there's a couple peachy colors. There's a couple teals in there, and it just all matches. So this is what I'm working here, and then I do come in with my pops of color, my black, because I still have not gotten off of that bandwagon yet of what I like for that. And I just place these all kind of around the sections. Now, I do know that compass is backwards, but it fits right where I have it, just to add that little bit of, pizzazz down on the bottom. Kind of like how she has in the picture up above. I know my family adventure is a little bit further up the page than down the page, so I decided to add that down there. And then she does have that string. It's just closer to the bottom where I moved it up. So now this is where I'm going in and adding all my black little dots. You will see me adding around the clusters of the sequence mix because I wanted it to kind of pop off saying, ooh, there's a burst of sequence sitting in that section. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you. If you are coming from any of the other hops that I am on, please hit that like and subscribe button. We would love to have you as a subscriber. Here are the still shots. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.